Thank you for your time. Today, you'll learn how to use VisionWorks to quickly and accurately model couples who are divorcing. If you're not already familiar with VisionWorks, please play the quick tour video on the home page at www.visionsystemscorp.com. To keep this video as short as possible and focused on modeling a divorce, we've used the sample plan that comes with the free trial version of VisionWorks. The parties in the plan are Bill, Sue, and Bill Jr. On the Vision page, we've modeled their existing home, cottage, and lifestyle entries such as entertainment and vacations. Let's go to the Financials page. Let's go to Bill's tab. We've also modeled his existing assets, such as retirement plans. We've done the same for Sue. Once the model is set up, it's very easy to see the financial impact of a divorce on both Bill and Sue. Let's go to the Solutions page. Let's look at the financial projections. To do this, let's click the Total tab. As you can see, the income assets projection for Bill and Sue as a couple is positive through their life expectancies. Let's click the Net Worth tab. It's also positive. Let's model the effect of a divorce. To do this, we'll create a new solution. In it, we'll divide assets between Bill and Sue and add entries such as child support payments made by Bill and received by Sue. To create the new solution, we'll click the Copy button. We'll name the new solution Divorce Changes. Let's go to the Entries tab. Let's open the folder for their home, which we've called 6 Our Street. It's Sue's desire to keep their home. Let's click the Ownership entry. We'll select Bill in the Owners table and delete him. The home is now 100% owned by Sue. Let's click the Joint tab. Let's change the ownership of the cottage to Bill. The cottage was transferred to Bill. We'll need to add some entries and modify others. Let's create an apartment rent entry for Bill. You'd adjust the default amount of $12,000 to the appropriate payment. In the tree view, let's click the Family heading. Let's add a support payment that Bill will make. You'd adjust the default amount of $6,000 to the appropriate payment. Let's click Sue's tab. Let's add the support payment that Sue will receive. You'd adjust the default amount of $6,000 to the appropriate amount she'll receive. In the tree view, let's click the Pensions heading. Let's open the RRSP folder. You'd use the Transfers Into or Transfers Out of entry to make adjustments between their RSPs. You'd make the offsetting entry for Bill. Once you've made all of your adjustments, you need to return to the Solutions tab make a copy of the divorce changes solution and label it something like Sue. Let's go to the About tab and delete Bill. Because Bill is no longer included in this solution, Sue automatically pays all of the expenses, such as property taxes and operating expenses for 6 Hour Street. Let's return to the Solutions tab and look at the financial projection for Sue. As you can see, her income assets projection shows a shortfall in retirement. Let's click the Net Worth tab. Her net worth projection is positive, primarily because of the house. We can see that this is the classic house rich and cash poor theme. In the absence of other changes, Sue will have to downsize her home at some point or move into a condominium. Let's make a copy of the divorce changes solution and label it something like Bill. Let's go to the About tab and delete Sue. Because Sue is no longer included in this solution, Bill automatically pays all of the expenses. Let's return to the Solutions tab and look at the financial projection for Bill. As you can see, his income assets projection also shows a shortfall in retirement. Let's click the Compare tab. We can see Bill's income asset projection on the left. Let's compare it with Sue's projection. As this video illustrates, VisionWorks quickly and accurately models couples who are divorcing. During the negotiation process, it's the easiest to use and most effective software available for modeling the consequences of divorce. Also, in the Reports section, you can print pre- and post-divorce net worth statements and spreadsheets for net worth, income assets, and net cash flow. Thank you for your time.